Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get a refund on PayPal in a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. Before you start, it's crucial to first reach out to the merchant or client you want a refund from. They are the ones with the ability to issue refunds, as PayPal itself doesn't process refunds unless initiated by them. Once you've communicated with the merchant, follow these steps to proceed. Open the PayPal app or website on your device and log into your account. On your dashboard, navigate to your transaction history where you can view all your recent payments. Find the specific transaction for which you're requesting a refund and click on it to open the details. Next to the Add Tracking button, you'll see the Issue Refund option. Click on it. PayPal will ask you to answer a few questions to verify your refund request. Fill out the required details and follow the instructions to complete the process. And that's all. You've now successfully submitted your refund request on PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.